Let's do a quick unboxing for the Capital One Venture X. It comes in this FedEx gray envelope, and inside here it comes with the regular credit card white envelope. Obviously, I pre-opened this because I wanted to cover the card number, but let me show you what's inside here. You have, this is a quick introduction. It tells you about the 300 annual credit, the 10,000 miles annually, the points. Here it mentions the $100 credit for the TSA or the pre-check for the global entry as well, and some other reading material, which I'm not going to read for you here. And we're just going to skip those. And this is the card. It's probably why you're here. Here it is. It is very heavy and surprisingly like really heavy and has a lot of weight to it. That's the back, and that's why I opened it. I moved the sticker. The sticker actually comes on the front, which I moved the sticker to the back so I can show you the card here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.